And thank you very much guys sa lahat ng pumunta sa akin LS. And thank you. It's Cars Kaiji Live, BFF Jamlayas channel. Thank you. Chef Joby TV. Thank you very much. Kaya pa ba kita lang bigyan ng pin? Yung jacket. Di kita madyakitan. And thank you sa lahat. BFF RCR Cabrera Vlog. Thank you. Sir Alhads Vlog. Salamat. Ate Te, sa Bahit GPSG. Thank you. Ayan si BFF Bolen. Thank you very much. BFF KitKat ko. Salamat. Ayan, Sir Alhad. Sir Albert Tech Channel. Thank you very much. Ay, sinisipon ako. Lucy Warren's World, friend. Thank you for coming. Boss R Official. Thank you po. Salamat sa pagpunta, Boss R Official. Ma'am Jingsky Eve, thank you. Yan po ang aming admin ng Team BFF Angat Channel. Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Admin. Ayan, Sir Albert Tech Gamleas Channel. Thank you. LR Merasol. Ayan. Thank you. Wait lang, guys. Ayan, guys. Thank you. BFF Reyna Serrano. Ayan. Thank you, BFF. Ano pa ba hindi ko napasalamatan? Sir Riders Bong Motovlog. Ayan. Shout out. Thank you. Boss R Official. Thank you. Gemini Girl Vlogs. Thank you. Sir Alhads Vlog. BFF RCR Cabrera Vlog. Ayan. Thank you. Lucy Warren's World. Sir Masing Vlog. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Masing. At Survivor 20. Ayan, salamat din at Survivor 20. Ayan, si LMA TV Vlog. Thank you. Kiagos M. Lamin Official. Thank you very much. Ayan, si Sir Cardo TV. Ayan, ang second channel ng aming team leader na si Sir Ricky B Vlogs. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Cardo TV. Sino pa ba? Ayan, si Ma'am Agnes Darman Calls. Ayan, thank you rin, Ma'am Agnes. Eileen the Explorer, thank you. Mr. Dog, thank you. Twenty Wheels TV, salamat. Lisong soon, thank you. Ayan. Kaya napasalamatan ko ng lahat, especially sa aking Team BFF Pangat Channel. Thank you, team, sa laging suporta. Ayan, ako'y mag-end na. Ako'y magluluto pa ng pansit ng aking baby kasi ika 3 months niya ngayon. Ayan, pauwi ko lang ng bahay kasi lumabas kami ng asawa ko. Bumili lang kami ng onting panghanda niya. Ayan. Salamat sa lahat nandiyan. BFF RCR Cabrera, Ate Tess Bahik, GPSD. Yan. Thank you sa aking mga member. Ayan, si BFF Learns T Vlog, si si BFF Emerald Channel. Ayan. Thank you sa inyo guys. Thank you very much.